If you want to draw on photos on iPhone 16e, what you can do is first of all open the Photos app. Then over here we can tap on the photo that we wish to edit. Now at the bottom we can use this icon with these three sliders. And next in the top right corner we have this pen icon in a circle, so we can tap on it. And if it's a live photo, then we need to turn off the live photo mode. So let's press OK. And now at the bottom we should be able to find different tools that we can use in order to draw on our photo. So feel free to, of course, use them. And this is how we can draw anything on the photo. Once you are done, simply press done in the top right corner, and then once again press done in order to save your photo. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!